Okay, so I woke up this morning to see how my first video was doing, and it had around 45 views. And yes, I know it's not a lot, but I'm still really thankful for everything you do for me. So before the video started, I just want to say thank you so much. Now, this video is Ray X Listener, Ray comforts listener during a storm. And it's going to be really short because I have to get back to class in like 10 minutes. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Listener, is everything alright? It's been in there for quite a while now. Listener, hello? Are you in there? Okay, I'm coming in. Listener, are you okay? What's wrong? Oh, you're afraid of the storm. I understand. It's really scary sometimes. Do you want some cuddles? Yeah, I thought so. Well, try not to listen to Thunderstorm and focus on me. And if you get scared, just hold on to me very tight. You know, I wouldn't let anything happen to you, right? Nothing at all. I wouldn't let you get shipped. I wouldn't let anything take you away from me. I just wanted to make sure you knew. Well, try to fall asleep, okay? I love you, listener. Oh my gosh, that was first try. Shut up. Okay, yeah, my class is starting right now, so I'm gonna hurry up and edit this video while my class is just getting in the intro. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.